Question 2. Given the quadratic equation is this, express the equation in general form. So they want us to give it in this form. Right. So let's expand first. 2x minus 5 square. I copy down the question first. 4x plus 7. So when you expand, we square this whole thing first. So when you square something, you will get 3 different terms. The first term is x square. The last term is negative 5 square. And the middle term will be 2 times x times negative 5. So the first term is x square. Last term will be 25. And the middle term will be 2x times negative 5, which is negative 10x. This is the shortcut to squaring. Okay, equals to, then here also we expand, so this will become 4x plus 28. Then we expand the 2 inside, so we get 2x square minus 20x plus 50. And then all these values we bring over this side. So minus 4x minus 28 is 0. So we simplify. 2x square minus 20x minus 4 will get minus 24x. And then 50 minus 28 will be 22. Equals to 0. And then this whole thing can be simplified. The whole thing can be divided by 2. So we divide it by 2. And this will be our answer for A. Right. Then state the sum of roots and product of roots. So they're asking us to find SOR and POR. Okay. Let's change color a bit. So to do B, we must know SOR is negative B over A and POR is C over A. Okay, this is the formula. So A is 1, B is negative 12, C is 11. So we just put this in. B is negative 12, A is 1. So this will just give us 12. C is 11, A is 1. This will give us 11. That's it. So SOR is 12, POR is 11. Done.